Nilagang baboy recipes. Pork, pache, potatoes, onion, pepper, 6 to 8 cups of water, salt, broth cubes, and UNAMI seasonings. Let's start. Wash your potatoes. And also pache. Lastly, your pork. Peel your onions and cut into 4. And peel your potatoes and cut also into 4.
I'm Eros M. Belisario of 9AU. We will going to cook nilagang baboy. Okay, so let's start. First, we need to add 6 to 8 cups of water. Simmer at least 1 hour or until the meat is tender. Then add onion and pepper. After 3 minutes, add the potato. After an hour, add the spices, salt, broth cubes, and umami seasonings. After a few minutes, we can put pechay. After a few minutes, our nilagang baboy is ready to serve. Come on, let's eat!